Imagine a faceless YouTube channel pulling in millions of views and earning around $2,000 per video, all with quick, easy-to-make YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok videos. How do they do it? Stay tuned as we break down the secret behind their massive success and show you how you can replicate it for yourself. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. But first, let's take a look at one of their videos.
He's back!
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this channel creates viral videos for free in under 10 minutes using AI. By the end, you'll know how to start your own faceless channel and use the same tools they rely on to explode their views. We'll be using 3 powerful AI tools and CapCut to create these videos effortlessly and without spending a dime. Trust me, it's incredibly easy. Now, let's talk about the competition. They're pulling in millions of views with these simple yet fascinating videos. Their main characters, animals transformed into everything from warriors representing countries to Spider-Man versions of nations, or even mythical creatures, all designed by AI. It's a brilliant and creative formula, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Let's dive right in and set up our first tool, ChatGPT. First, head over to ChatGPT and check the description below for a special prompt I've shared. This prompt is going to make creating our content super easy and fast. It's exactly what we need to simplify this whole process. Here's how it works. Once you input the prompt, ChatGPT will instantly organize everything into a neat table with topics, countries, and prompts to generate images. It's simple, effective, and covers everything from the type of animals to how they'll be transformed into warrior characters representing different countries. I've even included the general prompts in the description for you to download and follow along step by step. Once ChatGPT organizes the data, you'll see how effortlessly we can create attention-grabbing content. Now, let's get started and see just how easy this can be. Now, let's move on to the next step and create our images using Leonardo AI. When you open Leonardo AI, this is what you'll see on your screen. First, click on Image Creation, which will take you to the image generation area. If the interface looks different, no worries, just head to the top right corner and click on Legacy Mode. This will adjust the interface, and here's where the magic happens. Next, make sure to change the model to Leonardo Diffusion XL and set the aspect ratio to 9:6 on the left side. Once that's done, we're ready to start generating images. Head back to ChatGPT, grab the prompt you created earlier, and paste it into the input box here. Click Generate, and in just seconds, you'll have your images ready. Now, go back to ChatGPT, grab the next country's prompt, paste it, and hit Generate again. Repeat this process for all 10 countries, and you'll have your full set of images. If you ever want to switch things up, like changing from countries as warriors to something else, simply type "Give me another topic" in ChatGPT, and it'll give you fresh ideas with new prompts. For example, I just got a topic on countries as mystical creatures. With this, you'll always have a variety of topics and prompts to work with, keeping your content exciting and diverse. Once you've finished creating the images, it's time to download the best ones. Next, head over to Pixabay and download the flag of each country. These images are royalty-free, so you won't have to worry about any copyright issues. Once you've got the flags, we're ready to turn our still images into an eye-catching video. To do that, we'll use our next tool, Kling AI. If you're not familiar with it, Kling AI is an amazing tool that transforms your still images into videos effortlessly. Here's how it works. To get started, simply type Kling AI into Google and click on the first link you see. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface. Click on AI videos and then select image to video. Now, simply drop your image into the box and Kling AI will work its magic to generate a professional looking video from it. With Kling AI, it's that simple. You're just a few clicks away from turning your static images into dynamic, engaging content. If Kling AI isn't your style, no problem, I've got another amazing tool for you, Hail AI. With Hail AI, creating videos is just as simple. Head over to the platform, click on Create Video, and upload your image. And boom, your AI image creation transforms into a stunning video in seconds. Once that's done, continue generating videos for the rest of your images. Keep going until you've got all the content you need to complete your full video. It's fast, easy, and incredibly efficient. However, this is not enough to post on YouTube or TikTok. We need to merge all the videos and flags into one video. So we go to the CapCut application and add all the supplies we downloaded earlier. The first step is to add all the videos we generated before and change the aspect ratio to 9:8.16. Next is to add transitions between the videos, and the most suitable one for these clips is Floodlight. You'll find it under Transitions. You just drag it between all the clips. Next, we need to add an effect. So go to Effect and drag the Shake effect onto the timeline, setting it at the end of each video right where the transition ends. The next thing we're going to do is add text. So go to Text and drag default text onto the timeline. click on the text, and in the right corner select the font, change the color, and add an outline. Then go to Animations, and under In, select the animation Spring. For Out, select Fade Out. Copy and paste the text above each clip and just change the name of each country. Next, we have to add the flags. Just drag them to the timeline, resize them, and position them nicely next to the text. Click on each flag, go to Animation, and add the animations, Shake Ones, and Fade Out. You should do this for all the flags. Finally, we just need to add some music to make the video even more exciting. I found a great track on Epidemic Sound called The Final Distance. Just add it to your video for that perfect touch. To take it a step further, I also added a sound effect from Pixabay called Let Go. It adds a bit of flair and makes the video feel even more dynamic. The key here is to get creative and really make the video stand out with your own unique style. Now it's time to download your finished video and watch it come to life. Let's check it out together.
Okay, let's go.
And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and free AI tools, you can create professional and creative videos without spending too much time or effort. The key is your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and turn them into unique content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And if you try making a video yourself, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.